All right, this question is asking what is the product of these two complex numbers, okay? And you have to know that the word product means multiply. So we're going to multiply these two numbers, all right? And they do contain the imaginary number, the I, and we're going to treat them like two binomials, like this is a binomial and this is a binomial. All right, and if you remember how to do that, we do what's called foiling. First two, outer two, inner two, and last two. All right, so we're going to multiply the first two. 5 times 6, and that gives us 30. Then we're going to multiply the outer two. 5 times a negative 3i. So it's going to be negative 5 times 3 is 15i. And let's do the inner two. The innermost two is 7i times 6. And that's going to give us, what's 7 times 6? 42. 42i. And then the last two. 7i times a negative 3i. Okay, so a positive times a negative is a negative. 7i times 3i, that's going to be 21. And I times I is I squared. All right, now you're going to notice that these middle two are the same, so they will go together. So we have minus 15i plus 42i. Let me get my calculator for that. All right, minus 15 plus 42, and that gives me a positive 27i. I'm going to drop down this 30. And then this over here, minus 21i squared. Okay, this is the thing you need to know. I squared, by definition, I squared is negative 1. Okay, that's what I squared is. So this is going to be minus 21 times I squared is negative 1. So we have a minus and a minus, that gives us a plus. So 30 plus 27i plus 21. And then the 30 plus 21 will go together to give me 51. And now I have 51 plus 27i, which is a complex number, just like the two that you started with.